From Alia Bhatt, Janhvi Kapoor and even Deepika Padukone, these Bollywood divas have left us in awe with their gorgeous natural makeup looks. And honestly, there is nothing I love more than looking absolutely gorgeous without seemingly having tried too hard. So today I am here to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can ace the natural and flushed makeup look like a pro. But before that, if you have just landed on our BeBeautiful channel, then go ahead and subscribe and also ring the bell icon for more such beauty tutorials. The first step is to prep the face because a good base works hand in hand with a healthy skincare regime to ensure that your makeup products apply smoothly to the skin. I am done with my skincare bit. Now for the makeup bit, I will first apply a primer which will help you get a flawless base. The primer creates the perfect canvas for your makeup to glide on, ensuring your face doesn't end up looking cakey. It also softens blemishes on your skin and minimizes the appearance of large pores. So make sure you invest in a nice primer to get a perfectly natural look. I like to use the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. A little bit goes a long way, so start with the dime-sized amount of primer in the center of your face and slowly work it out towards your cheeks, forehead and chin. This primer works beautifully on oily skin too because of its smooth gel formulation, which will fill out any pores, fine lines and skin imperfections. At the same time, it has vitamin E that will add that bit of a glow. Now, time for base. I understand that foundation is the most important part of your base makeup. But if you want to achieve a natural makeup look, then you need to go easy on your foundation. For this look, I am ditching the foundation and opting for a BB cream like this one. It's the Pond's BB Plus Cream Instant Spot Coverage Plus Light Makeup Glow Natural. But to make my skin look a bit glowy and moisturized, I am going to mix it with the Lakme Lumi Skin Cream. And will dot it all over the face and neck and blend it with a beauty sponge. The best part about this BB cream is that it is a 2-in-1 formula. It contains vitamins and provides a lightweight foundation-like coverage. Plus, formula has SPF 30 PA++ which will protect the skin against harmful sun rays, and the Lumi cream on the other hand couples the benefit of makeup and skincare, which means that it won't just hydrate your skin but will also create an instant 3D highlight effect. To successfully achieve a natural makeup look, it is important that you keep your eyes looking extremely natural without any obvious harsh lines. I am going to skip the powder eyeshadow and instead use the liquid eyeshadow like this one. It's the Lakme Absolute Explore Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Earthy Matte and Shimmering Sunset. I am just going to apply the Earthy Matte shade all over the eyelid and then use a fluffy blending brush to buff out the edges for a soft, smoldering effect. Rim the same shade on the lower lash line and smudge it with a small smudger brush. Now to rim the lower waterline, I am going to ditch the regular black eye pencil and opt for a white eye pencil instead, because white eyeliner not only makes your eyes look larger but also makes you look more awake, giving a very natural and clean look. So using the Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Pencil in the shade Ethereal White, I am going to gently rim the lower waterline. As I am applying, you'll notice that it is very pigmented, which is an absolute must, and apart from that, it is long lasting and smudge proof too. Since the idea is for a minimalist natural look, I am ditching the eyeliners, but your mascara can still work to draw attention to your eyes. So I'll start off by curling the eyelashes with the eyelash curler and then apply some mascara to add volume and drama to the lashes. Today I am using the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara in the shade Deep Black. Just wiggle and swipe on the upper and lower lashes. The formulation of this mascara is lightweight and is water resistant. Plus, it gives the eyelashes a soft yet well-defined look. To add a flush of color on the face, opt for a cream formulation and choose warm peaches or pinks as they tend to mimic the skin's natural subtle flush of color. I like to use the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Nude Cushion. Apply it on the apples of the cheeks and a little on the nose as well for a flushed effect. So in a sense, the blush needs to be applied from one side of the temple all the way till the other side. As you can see, this blush has a very creamy texture and blends effortlessly. Lipsticks are those indispensable weapons, but while picking a shade to tie together for this natural makeup look, opt for a lip gloss in a natural pink or nude shade. I really like this lip gloss for my natural makeup look. It's the Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Rose Shine. The shades in this lip gloss range will complement a lot of Indian skin tones. Just swipe it on the lips for a 3D effect. It glides smoothly and delivers a high shine that doesn't feel sticky. So guys, I hope you like this natural and flushed makeup look. Do try it out and let me know your take on a natural makeup look in the comments below. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.